Okay, y'all. I have a here today. I have a bird in my house. That's right. I said I have a legit bird in my house with that being the culprit. He brought a bird into my house. All right, I gotta figure out how I'm gonna pick this thing up. Where's the little guy? No, maybe that's not the smartest idea. I need some gloves and a box. Got a box? No. Need some gloves though. Need some gloves, he might bite me. I'll put him high where Gumbo can't get him. Yo, little fella, come here. Oh, sorry, little fella, I won't hurt you. It's still alive. Oh, I can't see a damn thing. Alright, so it's still alive. I don't know how bad it was injured though. It's a little shaken. Let's go take it outside and see what it does. Alright, the lights on. Come on, I gotta go get me. Hey little fella. You okay? You okay, little buddy? Huh? I'm gonna go take you back outside, buddy. Go put you where that damn cat can't get to you. What's that? That sounds good? Oh, look at you. You're darling. Trying to get my shoes on, guys. Hope this bird doesn't fly away in my hand. If he can still fly. I think he'll be okay. Let's see. Yeah, he'll be fine. He's just in shock. Might have a little bit of injury. You get inside. You inside. Inside. Good kitty cat. I'll put you where your cat can't get. Oh, there you go. Look at you. You got a shock now. Huh, Bubby? Huh, buddy? Saved your life. You got lucky. I think you should be fine. I'll go put you where cat can't get to you.